Hey everyone, welcome. And today our topic is how to learn coding. Yes, most of the beginners and who wants to change their career into coding, they may thought many of different aspects in their mind. Will I be eligible to learn coding? And I'm not a computer science background. Will I be start learning coding? These activities they may apply. They may thought it in different ways. So, are you really eligible to learn coding? Yes, anyone can learn coding easily. Yes, it's true. So when you have to more focus on it, coding is always necessary a logical thinking, and it's a focusing on hands-on practice. A lot of practice will help you greatly to learn something new. See, the coder who wants to ultimately he wants to build or make a new logics, building an applications like a computer to be work based on our thoughts. So these thoughts are going to be right as a programming statements, like a logical statements to complete the task perfectly. So you have an understanding what you have to learn. So start learning and making which is your favorite and a most popular industry required programming languages, anyone, and be on confidently learn on fundamentals. These are highly required to learn fundamentals manually, using your computer system to practice hands-on sessions by writing the statements and the syntaxes. Once you strong in these basic syntax phases and preparing the small bits of logics for which is relevant to the real world concepts. For example, I could say a simple calculator, which you may see in that how it is going to be functioning. Additions, subtractions, a simple way of calculation using math operations. So start writing such a functionality using your hands-on sessions with following the syntaxes, might be for loops, apply variables, for loops, data types. So many combinations are there to make a real-time and real-world functional program. So once you start learning strong in fundamentals, then immediately you switch over from there to applying AI tools. So AI tools will help you greatly. Nowadays, you know that more most of the AI tools are there, which we can also call it as generative AI tools. So apply small AI tools by writing and getting a prompting using ChatGPT, Gemini, and Copilot or Kevin, DeepSeek, anyone you comfortable. Use any one of the AI which is sufficient to learn and apply AI skills in your coding and thought processing. So try to, if you're a beginner, start learning coding, which will take you the next level. At the same time, you want to switch in your career from any other industry to in the coding area. Yes, this is also possible to transform your career into the strong potential career by learning coding. So apply today your thoughts and try to learn, practice hands-on sessions. Wish you good luck. See you in the next lecture.